guys are just coming over here. That's gonna be a very nice thing to you all. And the very good news is that you guys have just completed your approximately 25 days. Approximately 25 days you have completed, and in these 25 days how much you have learned and what the more you need to learn, that we are just going to discuss today. The first, अब हमें जानना पड़ेगा कि हम कितना सीख चुके हैं. नाउ आप तो को तो पता ही है, और अब से हम लोग इसको स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो करेंगे दैट इन द क्लासरूम यू गाइस कैन नॉट स्पीक इन हिंदी, वेदर यू आर जस्ट टॉकिंग टू मी और यू आर जस्ट टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर. आपस के बाहर भी हैं, है कि नहीं, मतलब कैंपस, क्लास के बाहर कैंपस में है और आपस में. और होमवर्क बनाई कि नहीं बनाई? अरे भाई अमृत तोड़ तो जरा. तो दीज थिंग्स व्हेन यू जस्ट डू द कॉन्वर्सेशन विद द पीपल और द स्पेशली टू योर फ्रेंड्स, जस्ट ट्राई टू डू दैट इन इंग्लिश विद योर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, तो आज का जो हमारा जो लेसन है, आप लोग को यहाँ पे आना है और आपको समझाना है. तो यहाँ पे आने के बाद आप हो जाएंगे टीचर, और जितने सारे लोग बैठे हैं वो हो जाएंगे स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, अब सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो मान लीजिएगा सब जो है वो 10th पास स्टूडेंट्स, 10th पास स्टूडेंट. अब 10th के बाद बच्चों को क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? क्योंकि 10th पास बच्चा जब रहता है तो ज़्यादातर मान लीजिए जो गांव देहात के बच्चे जो रहते हैं उसको कुछ पता नहीं रहता है कि नहीं, क्योंकि स्कूल के टाइम में स्कूल जाता है, शाम के टाइम में वो भाई छागर चराता है. जिसके घर छागर नहीं हो गाय चराता है, और जिसके घर में दोनों नहीं है तो जो चराने जाता है उसको देखता ही, समझे कि नहीं, मतलब उधरे रहता है, तो उसको पता नहीं चलता क्या करना है नहीं करना है. जिसके वजह से आप यहाँ पे आएंगे और मान लीजिए बाकी लोग जो है बैठे और 10 पास हैं उसको क्या करना चाहिए. तो who will come first? पहले कौन आएगा?
Now many types of question you have in your mind. So what you want to do after 10th and what you want to be after 10th and what's your goal. So I have here to give you some guidance for after 10th what you want to do. I'm not telling you to please follow my instruction, but I'm only tell you, I give some ideas what you can do after 10th. First, you can pass your 10th. Your very good percentage. There is a two option after 10th you want to do. First is technical and first is traditional and first is technical. So if you want to go in traditional, so then you must do the again 12th, and also in 12th there is also three options. If you want to be a doctor, then you must choose the science. There is also three options. And if you want to be a businessman and you want to go in, if you want to be a CA, so then you choose your commerce stream. And if you want to do a IPS officer and you want to do UPSC, you want to clear your UPSC, then you go for the arts. If you are not interested in these types of stream, then you go in a technical line. There is also three options. If you want to earn money in little bit time, then you go for the technical. If you फर्स्ट आई उसको क्या बोलते हैं सर, क्यों नहीं हम पहले ट्रेडिशनल को डिफाइन कर दे रहे हैं. Firstly I want to define the traditional stream what there are. If you do the your 12th, there after 12 you also have lots of things, and after 12 you must have to pass your graduation. There is also 3 year in graduation. Graduation is 3 years and thank you sir.
Firstly I would like to congratulate that you all are 10th pass. Now you all are confused at what to choose after 10th. So don't worry, I am here to explain you what should you have to choose after 10th. You all are 10th pass. Now you all have two options. First is traditional and second is technical. In traditional, you have to spend 2 years completing your intermediate. Here you have 3 options: commerce, arts and science. And in technical, you have also 3 options: ITI, diploma and polytechnic.
Without getting late, I am going to start about your career. What should you do in your career and what you have to do in your career. So I am going to start these 2 courses. If you are going to do these 2 courses, you will directly got the job after 4 years without getting late like traditional, in which we have to spend more 2 years. So but if you will do these 2 courses, then you can't get enough salary by which you can make lots of fun in your future. So according to me, But if you want to only sustain your life, then you can go through it. But if you want to enjoy your life, then you can go through traditional courses. Now I am going to tell you about traditional courses. In traditional courses, again there is two parts: technical and traditional. In technical, you have to do, there are 3 to 4 courses like IIT MBBS, BBA, and etc. Mainly I am going to tell you about these 3. First of all, if you have PCM, then you can go through IIT. In IIT you will get very high package. Company will offer you like a crores package, or they will offer you 50 package of 50 lakh. You can imagine it, you can think what you can't do in 50 lakhs in your future. But if you will go through it, then you can only earn 20 to 30,000 monthly, in which you can, I think in future generation you can't do anything. So if you will got job in IIT, then you can got highest packages, and if you will be a doctor, then it will be the wonderful, because as we know that the importance of doctor in our city, we all can face that. What's the importance of a doctor? So as we know that explain more, sir.
Sorry, time is up.
Okay, sir. I have no more time, so thanks, sir. Bhaiya, sir.
Hello lovely friends, good evening to all of you. You have completed your matriculation. After matriculation you have 2 ways to do a study. One is the technical and one is the traditional. If you want to get a job early, then you can take technical. In technical you can take ITI, diploma and polytechnic. And after complete your course, then you can join a company and you can do a job. But if you want to become an engineer or doctor or army, then you can take traditional course like IA, ISC and ICOM. If you want, it will take you 2 years. After complete your intermediate, then you can take IIT, JEE and NEET. But after intermediate you can do also technical course like ITIB Pharma and etc.